the beautiful western North Carolina in winter. It is a drizzly day, and so I thought I'm gonna change things up a little bit. Instead of going on like a big hike, let's go look for some frozen waterfalls. So of course, what better place to look for waterfalls in this area than off of Waterfalls Highway, or also known as North Carolina's Waterfall Byway. So I am starting off at Dry Falls. I'm just east of Franklin. There are some smaller waterfalls just west of here, but it is part of the highway is closed. So we'll see if I can actually get to that part before turning around and heading east. First view of falls. Okay, yeah, I couldn't go to Buster Butt Falls or Coolisage Falls because the road is closed and they are within that road closure. So from now on out, I'll just be heading east. So next waterfall are the Bridal Veil Falls. Over there is Sequoyah Falls. Can't really see them from this angle, I don't want to go out on the highway, but the lake is just starting to freeze over. Next up are the Glen Falls. This one does have a little bit of a hike. Looks like it's only about a mile or so though. I've actually never been to Glen Falls, so I am excited to go see it. Ground underneath. So I feel like I've basically hiked all the long trails within this region. At least everything within like a 3-hour drive. So finished, let's see, Bartram Trail, Appalachian Trail, Got Mackay Trail, Art Love, like the western half of the Mountain Sea Trail, Foothills Trail. I mean, Florida Trail's a little far. Pinoti Trail's also a little far. So if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see me hike, or any topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to comment. Let me know what you want to see. Alright, next up on the journey is in gorgeous state park. It's got Rainbow Falls and possibly Turtleback Falls, which is right behind Rainbow Falls. Okay, I've made it to Rainbow Falls. It's a 1.5 mile hike to get here. The spray is heading straight towards the camera, so we'll see how long we can see it before the camera's too wet. And there it is. Woo. It is a big one. Only a little bit of snow and ice, so really not iced over at all. Turtleback Falls. They don't look very tall, but they are probably at least a good 20 feet tall. In the summertime, this is a popular place to come and swim and slide off those falls. It is not for weak swimmers, but it is very fun. Also in Gorgeous State Park, Bearwallow Falls. That's as close as we can get to the falls, so heading back up. Okay, last falls for me for today are the Toxaway Falls. I'm not getting a really good view of them. Normally, I think you can get a decent view like while driving, but there's so much fog, so I have to go down this little side path that is blocked. I mean, the view is mostly blocked by cabins. Not super exciting. So there they are. Still big and pretty, but it's not much of a view. Okay, there are plenty more waterfalls that I could potentially see, but I'm getting to the point where they're getting farther and farther off. Like you've got to take like an 11 miles side road to get to like Whitewater Falls, which I love Whitewater Falls, but it wasn't quite on the main route. And if I went farther east, there are more waterfalls, but once again, there's still going to be turn off. So I picked the area that is most compact with waterfalls. We saw what, like 8 today? I think that's pretty good. I'm happy with that, so I'm pretty tired. Done for the day. Bye.